Welcome to CABINETMASTER CNC. Today, we are pleased to introduce to our valued customers a double-way panel saw with many outstanding features. This machine represents a combination of the best features from the two existing panel saw models in the current market. The output of the products will meet the highest standards, thanks to the simultaneous implementation of both vertical and horizontal cutting systems. Each machine is fully equipped with components similar to a basic CNC industrial wood cutting machine. This includes the main blade, scoring blade, sensor systems, and safety cylinders. All the equipment is thoughtfully and properly integrated. The work table is designed as a floating air cushion table, supported by an air blowing system. This system facilitates the process of placing workpieces easily and quickly while minimizing the risk of surface scratches or damage to the boards. The dual table setup allows for the processing of boards in various sizes, from large to small. Behind it, there is a system of 6 workpiece clamps that aid in the swift and effortless feeding of panel. After cutting, the panel are then transferred to the next machine for cutting the remaining dimension. The transition between the two machines is facilitated by a roller conveyor system, ensuring a smooth and efficient movement. Similarly to the first machine, the second panel saw continues the cutting process of the workpiece. At the end of the board cutting process, the boards are transferred to the material handling system using rollers to be transported to the finished product area. All of these processes are directly controlled and monitored through the machine's control system with a user-friendly interface similar to a computer. Each process is visually and realistically simulated. Additionally, the integrated software optimizes the board cutting process, ensuring maximum material efficiency and minimizing waste.